Good morning from Puerto Morelos, Panama. And oh my gosh, were we relieved to wake up to what appears to actually be, yes, wait for it, sunshine! We have had what feels like the proverbial rain for 40 days and 40 nights. We know there's more coming. We got more rainfall in the first, half of November than in many of the entire years in the past. Our dogs have been so homebound that they are driving us out of our minds. And so we are out on a dog romp at the beach to let them get their yayas out. I can't find them right now, but there's Paulo. Here come our girly girls. They're chasing birds in the ocean. And they are happy, 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 happy puppies. Who wants a treat? Yay! Come on, come get a treat.
Come on, who wants a treat?
We have the puppies out here today. It's a beautiful day in Puerto Morelos, Panama. They love the water. They love to play together. We had about a week and a half of steady rain, maybe a couple weeks. And today's the first day really with no rain. And the puppies have been pretty much indoors. So today they're really enjoying having the whole beach to themselves. Okay, ciao.